Hello students, in this video we are going to look at application of probability, which is called as simulation. So what exactly is simulation? A simulation is a procedure for conducting experiments through the use of mathematical and logical models as a means of depicting the behavior and structure of complex real world operating system over extended period of time. In other words, simulation is the process of developing a model of a problem or system and deriving measures of the problem's or system's performance by performing sampling experiments on the model. So you can go through this explanation. Sorry. Here is the methodology of simulation. There are 10 steps. So go through these steps. Then we have advantages and limitations of simulation. Please go through them, and you can pause the video and read through them. Okay. Now we will look into how to solve problems of simulation, especially with Monte Carlo simulation. So Monte Carlo technique is the most popular method of simulation. It uses random numbers and is employed to solve problems requiring decision making under uncertainty and where mathematical solution is not possible. So we have this problem. A bakery keeps stock of a popular brand of bread. Previous experience indicates daily demand as given below. So daily demand and probability table is given. So the bakery experience 0, probability is 0.01, daily demand is 10, it is 0.20, 20.15, 30.5, 50% of time, 40 is 0.12 and 50 is 0.02. Sometimes instead of probability, the number of days is given. So number of days for that particular demand divided by the total number of days will give you its probability. So consider the following a sequence of random numbers. So they have given us 10 random numbers. Using the above sequence, simulate the demand for next 10 days. Find out the stock situation if the owner of the bakery decides to make 30 breads every day. Estimate the daily demand for the bread on the basis of simulated data. So how to go about solving these problems? The first step is to make a random number coding table. So we have demand we will put in the first column. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 will come here and its corresponding probability will come here. In the third column we will add to find out the cumulative probability. So 0.01, 0.20 plus 0.01, 0.21, 0.21 plus 0.15, 0.36 and so on. So when we add all, we will get finally 1 because the cumulative will be always equal to 1. Now we have this random numbers which are single digit as well as going to 2 digit. So we will consider maximum possible random number as 99, which is the maximum 2 digit number, and we will allocate 99 number to this one, means 100. So you have this 100, you will put 99. this 98 we will put 97 here, for 86 we will put 85 here, for 36 we will put 35 here, for 21 we will put 20 here, and for 1 we will put 0 here. So you will subtract 1 and put the numbers, and then we will complete these intervals, 0 then 1 then 20 here, 21 here, 35 we got 36, 85, 86, 97, 98. So once you understand how to put this random number intervals, now we are ready to solve the problem. Now they have given us the first random number of 48. So first random number 48 is between 36 and 85, which corresponds to demand of 30. So my first day demand will be 30. My second is 78. 78 will be between 36 to 85 again, and my second day demand is also 30. The third random number is 19. So 19 will fall between the first second 01 to 20, and hence my third day demand is 10. So similarly we will complete all these demands, and you will get the simulated demands here. Once you get simulated demands here, because the stock situation, if 30 breads are produced every day, here there will be no stock, but here you will have stock remaining. So here you will have 20 ka stock, then here demand is 30, you have 30 already stock, so 30 will be sold, again 20 will remain. So this your stock will keep on piling. So the average demand will be, you just add this total, which will be 220, 220 divided by 10, 22 breads per day. Because we are keeping 30 days as our stock situation, we'll have lot of leftover breads. So this is how we solve the problem using the probability, the random numbers, to create random number intervals, and then fix associate our probability, rather cumulative probability, to those numbers. You have another example which is on the similar type, but here now they have used two random numbers, because there is a variability or randomness in supply as well as demand. So now here they have given us availability and number of days this availability is experienced. From here we can calculate the probability. So if you add this together and divide it by 40 divided by that, you will get this probability. So this probabilities you will calculate first, then also calculate cumulative probability, and as I explained in the previous examples, you will create the random number intervals for this supply side. Similarly we will do it for demand side. These probabilities will be calculated based on this number of days. So you add the total number of days, 50 divided by those total number of days will give you 0.1. So like this you will do. Then again you will calculate cumulative probability, and then allocate random numbers. And now they have given you the information here that supply and demand for next 6 days is to be simulated, and they have given us the pair of random numbers for these 6 days. The first one is for supply, the second is for demand. First one supply, second demand. So when we use this, we get first day ka supply is 30, demand is 20. So basically we are going to left with 10. So buying cost will be 30 into 20, and then selling cost, or selling cost means revenue, will be 20 into 30, and there will be no unsatisfied demand. They have given all the information here. For unsatisfied demand we are going to take 8 rupees per kg, and the profit will be nil here. Like this, for every day you will calculate what is the supply, what is the demand, and what is the buying cost, because buying is happening at 20 rupees per kg, selling is happening at 30 rupees per kg. But once in some places you will understand that the selling will happen only of material you have, right? Suppose sometimes the supply is less and demand is more. In that you will have unsatisfied demand, but the revenue will be from the amount you are going to sell only, right? So when you do all this, you will get the cumulative profit of 400 rupees at the end of 6 days. So you can expect such type of problems in your upcoming exams. So this is a simulation and related problems. Thank you.